Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account in Eharmony. You can do this from the mobile app on your phone or from a browser. So if you want to do this from a browser, open any browser and go to the website eharmony.com, and you can continue the process from here, but I'll show you how to sign up from the Eharmony app. So first of all, open the App Store and search for Eharmony and download Eharmony official dating app. After the app is downloaded, open the app. Now if you want to enable notifications from Eharmony, tap on enable notifications, and if you don't want to do that, tap on remind me later. Now if you have Eharmony account, you can log in from here, but if you don't have an account, tap on join now. Now choose your gender and what you are looking for. Tap on the arrow which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now choose the country you're living in, and after that tap on the arrow once again. Now choose what you want to sign up or create Eharmony account with. You can sign up using your email address or using your Apple ID or your Facebook account. So in this video I'll show you how to sign up with email ID. So I'll tap on sign up with email. Now on this screen you have to enter your email address, and after entering the email address, tap on password and enter the password that you want for your new account, and after that tap on sign up. Now you have to complete the quiz that will be presented to you by Eharmony. So you have to answer all the questions that are shown on the screen. So tap on continue. Now again continue. And it's going to take you about 20 minutes to complete the quiz, so be patient and complete the quiz. So again tap on continue. Now you have to answer all the questions that are shown on the screen. So 40% of the questions are done, so you have to tap on continue, and again you have to complete the 60% that are remaining. So tap on continue and you will be presented more questions. Again tap on continue. Now answer the questions again and keep on tapping continue. Now 20% of the questions remain, so again tap on continue and finish answering all the questions. So now you have completed the compatibility quiz, so tap on continue and again continue. So now on this page you have to enter your personal details like first name, last name, date of birth, occupation, height and other stuff. So enter all the details here. So after filling in all these details, tap on continue. So now you have to answer at least one question. After you answer the questions, you have to tell something about yourself on the box below. So write something about yourself. So after you have finished all the questions and wrote about yourself, tap on continue. Now you have to choose a picture for your profile, or you can upload it later. So I'm going to upload it later, so I'll tap on upload later. Now your Eharmony account is ready and you can start getting matches. So tap on view matches, and these are all the steps that you need to do to create an account in Eharmony. So this is all for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.